Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you what is inside the library. As you can see, we are in the icons folder, and here we have tutorial, source files, PNG files, and icons license. Icons license is basically saying what you can and can't do with the icons library. It's basically the same license what we have for also our other libraries. You can't resell the library. Then we have PNG files. Let's take a look inside. We have 7 different materials rendered. We have black and gold, clay, plastic, special, steel, toon, and special one is Christmas. Christmas is only for Christmas icons. So for example, let's take a look on penguin. So as we can see, we have rendered penguin in 5 angles. And every icon, for example head, is also rendered in 5 different angles. Then we have other premium icons. Here is a black and gold, for example. Let's take a look on the bean. And again, it's basically combining the black clay and the gold. Then we have clay material, which is basically white clay. Then we have plastic, which is imitation of the plastic. In our case it is yellow and red, but you can really easy change the colors in the blender, so don't worry about it. Then we have the special one. It's more advanced. As you can see, it's changing the color. Then take a look on the steel. This is the steel material. And toon. This is pretty funny material. So what do you have? You have 50 icons here, every in 6 materials. And then you have Christmas, which is 20 icons with 1 material in 5 angles. And you can combine the material. Let's take a look on the source files. In the source files, I prepared for you every material as a different blend file, so it will be easy for you to render them. So let's take a look on, for example, the Christmas. Okay, I opened the Christmas icons, and now what I can see is that you have the icons, Christmas icons. In the tutorial, I explained how you can easily change the materials of the every icon that you can. If you have any question, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design, or take a look on the library at ICONZ.design, or if you want to see more of our libraries, take a look at 3d.design. Have a nice day!